Hey guys, my name's Raquel, but you can call me Rocky. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to pamper yourself from head to toe for that special occasion. Starting with our hair, I suggest doing a deep condition before actually doing your hair. So, if you go to a hair salon, you can simply just ask them for a deep condition and they will most likely give you one. However, you can also do a deep condition at home. This is one that I have. It is the Feel It formula by Dr. Miracles, the super version. It is a super strength deep conditioner, and it helps with breakage and dry scalp. So basically what you do is you just wash your hair how you normally would, and then you would apply this to your hair from roots to tip and make sure you work it all through your hair. And then you leave it on for about 15 minutes and you put a plastic cap over your head. However, the 15 minutes is for if you're sitting under the dryer. However, if you're not sitting under the dryer, you want to leave it on for about 30 to 60 minutes. Deep conditioning nourishes and moisturizes the hair, promoting healthy hair and less breakage. Now for the face, I'm going to be telling you how to make 3 different face masks for 3 different skin types. For each mask, you will prep your skin the same way. First, by cleansing your face with a damp washcloth, and then opening up your pores with steam. This first mask is for oily skin. You will only need 6 strawberries. So what you're going to do is take those 6 strawberries, make sure you cut the stems off and take off the green leaves, and you're going to smash those strawberries with a fork into a fine paste. And then you're going to just apply it to the skin and massage it onto the skin and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to wash it off with warm water and then splash your face with some cold water. Pat your face dry with a towel and don't forget to use moisturizer. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and they help to nourish and revitalize the skin. The acid helps remove excess sebum on skin, and the juice helps to lighten blemishes and acne scars. Now for dry skin, you are going to need 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Crush the banana with a fork into a fine paste and mix it with the other ingredients. Then you're going to apply it to the face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to wash it off the face with some warm water and then splash cold water on your face. Then you're going to pat your face dry with a towel and, again, moisturize. Bananas contain potassium and vitamin E and C, promoting clear, glowing skin. Honey is an antibacterial, so it helps treat acne and contains antioxidants and is moisturizing and soothing for the skin. Lemon or lemon juice helps to treat acne, blemishes, and acne scars. This last mask is for combination skin, which is my personal favorite, and I will be showing you how I apply this mask. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of plain crushed uncooked oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix ingredients together. And apply to face. Leave on face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash mask off face with warm water. and splash face with cold water. Pat face dry with a towel, and don't forget to moisturize. Next, I will be showing you a super easy way to whiten your teeth at home. To whiten your teeth at home, you will need your toothbrush and some baking soda. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of baking soda and mix it with a little bit of water to make a paste. You're then going to brush your teeth with the paste you have made. After that, you will rinse your mouth out and your teeth will be slightly lighter. I suggest being cautious when whitening your teeth because if you do it too often, it can weaken your enamel. So when you do this, when you whiten your teeth at home, I suggest not drinking or eating anything with acid in it. Next, I will be showing you how to instantly get super soft hands. First, fill a large bowl or your sink with warm water. Cover your hands with some olive oil. You can also use almond oil or any other type of body oil you like. Be sure to work oil all over your hands and into your nails. Next, you're going to add a layer of rich hand lotion to create a barrier around the oil and to help it to sink into the skin. Next, place your hands into the water and soak your hands in the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take your hands out and dry them off with a towel. Next, you're going to apply some hand lotion. And now you have super soft hands. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a body scrub. For this body scrub, you will need a 1/4 cup of sugar, granulated, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix ingredients all together and apply to skin. Make sure you massage the scrub into your skin to exfoliate and help to remove dead skin. I suggest using the scrub on your legs before shaving. By using the scrub on your legs before shaving, it will help to remove dead skin and it will also help to prevent ingrown hairs and razor bumps. You can also use this scrub on your lips to exfoliate them and get super soft lips, and you can also use it on your feet. I don't suggest using this scrub on your face. However, if you replace the sugar with oatmeal, then it will be safe to use on the face and can be very nourishing and is actually very similar to the face mask that I used for combination skin. And finally, I will show you guys how to get super soft feet overnight. You're going to mix a 1/4 cup of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Massage that onto your feet and slip some thick socks on. Leave on overnight and wash off in the morning. Apply rich lotion to feet and don't forget to put the socks in the wash.